Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm riding around for a little bit today. As you can see, maybe on the speedometer, we just hit over 1,000 miles. We went over 1,000 subscribers, guys, so pretty cool to do it all around the same time. But just gonna ride around a little bit today. I do have a little trick up my sleeve, something I did the other day, and I was having a little bit of fun with it. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, let's do a short video today. I had a video I did the other day, but just ended up being too long, real hard to edit, so I might upload that later. But I'm gonna do this video today. Just kind of know everyone's home for the most part. I know some people are still working, but I haven't really been going places, or at least from like any larger crowds. But I ride my bike a whole bunch. I've been trying to get my oil changed, and I just ordered some stuff to clean my chain and stuff, because I'm way overdue on that. I was scheduled to do everything at 600 miles to the dealership. They've been closed for the last few weeks. I've put on a few hundred miles on my bike, so I know it definitely stinks, especially because it's the first one. I can tell my chain needs tightened up. I know it needs cleaned and lubed. I just ordered all that stuff because most of the dealerships with like the motorcycle like products are all closed. I'm sure I can get some stuff at Walmart or something, but honestly, I just haven't gotten around to it, and I kind of want someone else to do it for the first time, just like the first cleaning. So I had something scheduled today, but it got moved around, long story short. But yeah, I thought I'd bring you guys along the ride today. Once again, all the subscribers, definitely appreciate you guys. I got to 1,000 pretty quick, so I'm grateful for that. Grateful for a nice day of riding. So yeah, I just want to bring you guys along the way. Not a good start right there. I haven't done that in a long time. But yeah, okay, we're on it. Luckily it wasn't a car right behind me. We're already at a stop, but it doesn't make me look too good. I've been getting pretty confident on the bike, and there I go, just stalling it. Probably because I'm looking down at my camera and stuff. But yeah, getting all my thoughts together, I guess. But yeah, just kind of finishing that thought of saying thanks, guys, bring along for the ride. I've been doing a couple little stoppies at these stop signs. I know I probably shouldn't be, but I'm just kind of being honest. I did it the other day, just when I'm creeping, already pretty much at a stop, going like just a couple miles an hour. I'll kind of slam on the brakes, get a little foot off the back wheel. I've probably done like 5 or 6 of them pretty comfortably, but my luck, I'll drop it on camera right after I just ordered my bar ends. This should be in the next, I think, like 5 or 6 days. Hopefully it's the right size. I ordered some off Amazon. They're like 20 bucks. It's cool. They have a little feature on there where you can match up your model bike, and it tells you if it'll fit it or not. Because a lot of times I'll check the description, it'll be like GSXR 600, 750, 1000, like 2019, and then that thing will pop up and it'll say it doesn't fit your model. So I only found one type that would fit my bike on Amazon. It actually came with the screws and stuff, because my right bar end actually fell out, so I don't have the screws and stuff. I can just replace the actual knob. I need to replace the entire thing. I mean, I need a whole new bolt and everything, because I don't have anything. So I ordered something that seems like it's gonna be the right fit. It's only like 20 bucks. That felt kind of weird stopping there, but make sure that guy behind me slowing down. I forgot what I was saying. Oh yeah, I have another video I'm editing right now, so I actually might do this one before it, just because I feel like it's gonna be a bit shorter video, because I started after I've already been riding for a while. But yeah, just want to kind of check in with you guys. I know I always say that, but hopefully if we got some of these lights or a stop sign where I know there's a pops around, I'll try to build a stoppie for you guys for the 1K, and just because they're kind of fun. I'm really used to doing stoppies. I used to have like a BMX bike, totally different risk and damage if you drop this bike versus a little BMX bike. But I'm used to that feeling of getting that back tire up and kind of just at like a slow speed stop. I don't know. I'm comfortable with that feeling, even though it's totally different. over here is a little back right here. Maybe I can hit a couple stop signs. A little more hilly up here. Just kind of common sense. I mean, I feel like I shouldn't be doing this. I'm not going to tell anybody how to do a stoppie because I just did them the other day for the first time and kind of learning them. But just common sense stuff. Hit it straight on. Don't try to hit one coming in on an angle slowing down, especially to start. So make sure your tires are a bit straight, you're going for it, and preferably going on a level ground, if anything maybe uphill. But on like a smaller bike, you might even have to kind of throw your butt up a little bit, kind of throw your weight forward, especially if you're going slower. You're better off going like at almost no speed at all and then kind of slamming it and leaning forward a little bit, and then knowing you can kind of let off of your brake if you need to kind of catch yourself out of it. But just go slow enough and slam it where even if it doesn't pick up, you can feel that weight transfer, and then you can kind of judge it from there. Up here I might try if there's no cars, but it's kind of downhill, which is going to throw you up a little bit higher. For anybody who hates me for doing this, sorry, but I was doing it the other day and I'm just hooked now. I want to keep doing them. This is kind of a blind corner though. Maybe around this bend here I'll do one. Attempt to do one. Alright, if no one's over here on the corner, I'm going for it. Sugar. Just a random car, I could have done it, but let me think for a second which way to go. I think I'm probably just going to jump forward on this video till I'm at the next stop sign and do a couple to finish the video off, guys. But before we get there, I'm going to probably finish off and I'll just jump those clips in. Thank you all for watching. If you're already subscribed, thanks guys. You definitely help grow the channel a lot faster. I do appreciate it. I plan on doing a lot more videos with the channel, just because it's going to help me out a lot more. It's more fun whenever you kind of share more stuff and just kind of get more comfortable on the bike. But thanks again guys. If you like the video, like it, comment below what you think of the video. What do you think of first 1,000 miles on my GSXR 600. It's a 2019. This is my first bike. Don't have any like previous riding experience. Besides, I did the safety course, I think it was 4 or 5 years ago. If you guys watched my first video and kind of followed it through, you can kind of see the journey of me going from day one, kind of scared out of my mind, hopping on the bike, just nervous, to having a lot more fun, still being cautious, always wearing my gear, my helmet. But thanks again for watching, guys. Check out those older videos. I'm going to try to throw a couple stoppies in here for you. If you like them, like them. If you hate them, comment below and let me know. And doesn't really matter, but thanks again, guys. And let's throw a couple stoppies in here and see what happens. Gotta love the biker wave, too. A little baby one, because I wasn't sure if anyone was there. Probably couldn't tell at all, but I did get it up a tiny bit. Ooh, we got a couple. Do I follow? I think I will. Chase these guys for a little bit, see what happens. probably gonna lose me. Let's see. I was just on this road the other day, but it's definitely a little bit slick. There's some gravel spots and stuff, and then there's always like tractors and stuff pulling out and like mud on the roads. I think I slowed down by some traffic, so I caught up, but lots of not gravel. I think this is versus gravel. Not too good, not too bad, a little bit of a hill there. Not too comfortable doing it uphill. I have a spot over here where there's like 2 stop signs back to back. I think it might be a little bit better to do them on. Not right here, but I am getting a lot better at stopping on a hill and taking off. Just not committing enough today, I don't think. I think the other day I actually wasn't really thinking about it, and that kind of actually helped me. I was probably going a little bit too hard on it, and I was leaning forward, kind of throwing it up. A little bit too confident, but it was working for me, so I feel like every time I came up I was more worried about another car being there or something like that. Not as good as they were the other day, so I was a little bit more wishful thinking. But I think I can end with one good one. There we go. Not great, not bad. We got one more chance up here. Not the best, but I'll take it for today. I'm gonna turn the camera off, keep riding for a little bit, but thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. Check out some of my older stuff, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.